I knew I first wanted to be a physician probably in high school. I had a couple of science teachers through high school that were fantastic, and then through my time at Michigan State became very involved in undergraduate research, which just further cemented my interest in medicine. My name is Andrew Losiniecki. I'm a neurosurgeon that does spine surgery at South Bend Orthopedics, and I am board certified. I chose to be a neurosurgeon through the course of training. It was the area of medicine that I felt most at home, fell in love with the anatomy of the spine. I realized that you could really make a lasting impact on patients. Patients oftentimes come in the worst possible shape that you could imagine with terrible nerve pain. And as we've gotten them through injection, surgery, recovery, they oftentimes walk out of the office completely or nearly completely pain-free. Seeing a patient go from being very, very uncomfortable to getting back to their regular routine is something that it's the best part of my job. It's something to see the expression on the face. A lot of times they don't have to say anything. I can tell as they walk in the hall, the before and after is just an immense change. I think one of the most important things to know about me, especially from a spine surgery perspective, not rushing into a quick fix sometimes is the best answer. So just to be patient as we go forward with treatment, both surgical and non-surgical, that there is a method to the madness for what we're doing. When I'm not at work, I love doing anything outside. I love camping and fishing and hunting. I've got a family with young kids. We're out skiing and doing anything we can to enjoy nature. I like to think of myself a little bit like a family physician or your internist, where although we may not see each other regularly, you're a patient of mine forever. And it's something that, we may have check-ins and follow-ups, to try to make things the best that we can from a clinical standpoint, but we may never get you 100% completely pain-free, but we'll do everything that we can to get you as close to that point as possible.